right, good morning. This is Mr. Cotton here. Obviously today I am still in the gym doing TELPAS testing today. So today we're going to have a asynchronous day, okay? So I made this little video for you right above our session collab on what is to be done for the day, all right? So right here where you see March 25th, 2021 class activities, it says rising students. Today I'll be TELPAS testing. For class we will have an asynchronous day. I have supplied a video, which will be right here. The link will be right there for you to watch and know what's going on for the day. So you'll either click this link or you'll click read more. Doesn't matter. And these are the things that I want you to do for today, okay? First thing is we have a CDC social distancing article, which is right here, that I want you to open up. Okay, I want you to read this article in its entirety. All right, if you want to read it together, that's fine. It doesn't bother me. Just make sure you read it. All right. And then there's a form right here that I want you to open up that you will respond to some questions based on that article, all right? For question 1, I want you to write a summary of basically what you read, I want you to try to include those important details in your summary. Remember, a summary is not longer than the story itself, but it's just a quick little synopsis of what you read, okay? And then for question 2, I want you to write about a personal connection that you've made with the passage. Think about how it can impact you at school. We've been at school during Corona, the pandemic. So, how is this important to your life? What does it make you think of? Okay. And then hit submit. Don't forget to put your name. Next thing, I provided you with some sentence notes. We're about to move back in towards writing. We're about to get ready for that. So I gave you some 4 types of sentence notes right here. And I want you to look at these notes, review them. I tried to make them very, extensive, just explaining the 4 different types of sentences, okay? And I want you to record these notes in your writing journal, crafting section, okay? If you do not have your writing journal, just take these notes on a separate sheet of paper and place them in your writing journal when you're able to do so, all right? Don't forget to put the title, which will be 4 types of sentence notes, and of course the date, which is 3/25/21, all right? After that, I want you to work on this sentence fragment sheet and simple and compound sentences worksheet, okay? The sentence fragment sheet is just asking you about which sentences are complete thoughts or which ones are not complete thoughts, okay? So if it's a complete sentence, you will write S. If it's an incomplete sentence, you will write F, okay? That's what you are to do, all right? Same thing for this one where it says simple and compound sentences worksheet. This one is just the same thing. You're making sure you understand the difference between simple sentences and compound sentences, okay? For this worksheet right here, I do want you to write the sentences, okay? I don't want you to write the sentences for this one, but I do want you to write the sentences for this one, okay? And if you're asking me, well, Mr. Cotton, where are we going to write these sentences? You will use this sentence practice worksheet form to submit your answers, okay? So for when you click this up right here, for your sentence fragment worksheet, which is this one right here, you just put the answer. Okay, so for example, you just write, 1, whatever, 2, whatever, 3, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But for number 3, which is the simple and compound worksheet, which is this one right here, then you'll write your answer. Let's say number 1, number 1 is simple, gives you the answer for you. So when you do number 1, you just put the whoa, that's not supposed to happen. For number 1, you will you'll put the sentence, clocks go forward in the spring. Clocks go forward in the spring. And then you'll tell me if it's simple or compound. And of course the correct answer is simple, because it already has done it for you. So you would just write simple, okay? And I want you to do that for each one of those questions on this one, okay? Only this one. On the other one, you could just write the answer, all right? And then, of course, you will hit submit, okay? And that is all I have for you to do for today. If you have any questions, please just email me. I am in the gym today, so I will not be in class. Please handle your business. Tomorrow when we come to class, we will have a regular school day, so please look forward to that, all right? I will check in with you all later. Stay blessed.